So apparently we're unable to pass with the vehicles. So I'm going to walk up and see what's going on. All right, so we have to go a different way to try to get to the zoo. We could wait till he said, you know, if we wanted to wait until they're finished cutting some things, we could, but they told us another way that was a little quicker. So we're gonna do that. And I will pick back up with the recording once we get to that area. All right, so we're going to try to find, see if we can access the other entrance to the zoo and make sure everyone is okay and all the animals are okay. Oh, that tree, the trees are hanging on the power lines. So we're up on our way to the zoo. If you have family up here and they live on the road to the zoo, then you might recognize your house or know that the houses look all right from the outside. There was one we just passed on the left with windows boarded up. Another one that had their tormenteras, their metal wind panels put up over the windows still. Some houses over here that look to be in good condition. The vet clinic looked open, or at least it looked, yeah, there were cars. I'd have to go back and look. Houses appear to be intact. Well, I don't know what neighborhood we're in. Let's see some street names. De velocidad. So we got a speed bump. A velocity reducer. Speed bump in Spanish. Reductor de velocidad. Velocity reductor. I like that. It's a velocity reductor. So we got some intact houses, a little bit of roof damage on that one we're about to pass now. And then down there, there's some neighborhoods that are intact. Okay. thank you, Thrifty, for having vehicles for us. And for being so, oh wow. Yeah. I mean the house, wow, yeah, the tree on top of their house. It was for sale though, the sign, se vende, for sale, so some of these might have been unoccupied. You can see down that little valley. Some houses and the condition of those houses. You can see down there the houses down that hill. Houses over on that side look all right. Houses over here on the right look like they made it through the storm. There's a house back there on the hill and it is still standing. So it was well built. That house is missing, is it missing its roof or is it a flat roof? It's a little hard to tell from this angle. Oh, we gotta get up on the curve. These roads were not built for big trucks like that. Okay, we just have to drive.
Cientos de miles no se educan. Como quieras se puede empezar, exacto, o sea, que sabes que estamos jodidos de todas maneras vamos a perder clase. Pues mejor lo perdemos ahora, vamos a presión. Y que si se desvanece la universidad, se desvanece en medio de una lucha en contra.
All of that bamboo that has fallen down.
Exacto.
And let me pause right here. So, we're here. Welcome to the zoo. Yay! All right. Here we are at the zoo. We see people, they look all right. Lots of destruction with vegetation. We're gonna check on the animals and I will inform you about the animals' condition. Talk to you later.